All right, to install our seal, this is what we have. Now you're going to do, it's got to slide over this. So this is incorrect. You need to make sure that this part that has green or blue or whatever the sealant is on it, it goes over the shaft this way. Then we're going to use our press tool. And we've got the outer just clamped in the vise to hold it tight. And then I just use a hammer, and you're going to just hammer that seal on. Now you want to be careful as you're going to make sure that you get it flat. You don't want to get one side pressed down and the other side not at all. So you may have to go around kind of the different sides and make sure it goes on straight. So we should be seated there. Let's double check it. Now if you look here, you can see that there's no gap underneath this metal ring here. It looks good all the way around. And as long as that's good all the way around, then that seal is on and you're ready to install your shaft into your axle housing.